Good morning, everyone. I am Shatrag, and my team members are Sai Kiran Reddy and Vamsi. Today, we present a topic about preparations of composite materials using stir casting process under a case study for manufacturing technology. Introduction. Stir casting process involves stirring of melt in which the melt is stirred continuously, which exposes the melt surface to the atmosphere, which tend to continuous oxidation of aluminum melt. As a result of continuous oxidation, the wettability of the aluminum reduces and the reinforcement particles remain unmixed. What is stir casting? Stir casting is one of the most popular and widely used method in which material formation, mainly metal alloys and metal matrix composites, is done by melting metals and casting them into suitable shapes and size by pouring them into cavities. It is also called as liquid metallurgy. Stir casting process step. Stir casting process involves stirring of melt in which the metal is stirred continuously, which exposes the melt surface to the atmosphere, which tend to continuous oxidation of aluminum melt. The wettability of the aluminum reduces and the reinforcement particles remain unmixed. And there are some steps are involved in stir casting process. Stir casting and processing of aluminum matrix composites. Aluminum matrix composites have potential applications in aerospace and automotive industries. Their lightweight structure, high corrosion resistance, and superior mechanical properties make them a choice candidate in higher end applications. Aluminum matrix composites materials can be produced by many different techniques. By altering the manufacturing method, the processing and the finishing, as well as by the form of the reinforcement components added, it is possible to obtain different characteristics profiles, all of the same composition and the same amount of the components are involved. This paper focuses on the processing of various aluminum alloy composites by varying different parameters using stir casting techniques. Because of the presence of ceramic reinforcement processing, these metal matrix composites is challenging and requires better alternative techniques. Let we see in the diagram. Now we see about advantages and disadvantages of stir casting. Advantages. Stir casting is generally accepted commercially as a low cost method for fabrication of AMMCs. Its advantages lie in its simplicity, flexibility, and applicability to large volume production. Disadvantage of stir casting. Difficult to achieve homogeneity and high porosity. Possibility of reaction between matrix and reinforcement and poor welding due to high temperature. Thank you. From this point of view, we discussed that stir casting process, advantages and the disadvantages of stir casting process. I hope you all are understand that preparations of stir casting process. Thank you.